The High Court in Kiambu has ordered the release of Mukurweini MP John Kaguchia on a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. The MP is expected to face election offence charges over the allegations that he threatened Mount Kenya residents with dire consequences should they re-elect President William Ruto in the 2027 general election. Earlier, Kagushia supporters in Mukurweini staged protests demanding his release as his lawyers accused the state of political persecution. NTV's Laban Shaban reports.
Mukurweini MP John Kaguchia addressed a political rally in Kieni, Nyeri County on Saturday. Those remarks are now the basis of a criminal case. Investigators allege Kagushia warned Mount Kenya residents that should they re-elect President William Ruto in 2027 general election, they will face consequences ranging from social exclusion to denial of healthcare services. Hours after appearing on Inoro TV on Sunday evening, detectives began looking for him. Kagushia spent the night at Royal Media Services, saying he feared being abducted and tortured by people he claimed were pursuing him.
I am the regional DC in Nairobi. My name is Kandia.
Police arrested him Monday morning and escorted him to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations headquarters for questioning. Family, lawyers and opposition leaders converged here, accusing the state of abusing the criminal justice system.
Honorable Kagushia ni mbunge wa Mukurweini. Kwake nyumbani serikali inajua. Ilikuwa shida gani kutoa summons akuja hapa DCI and kama kuna makosa amefanya astakiwe baada ya kumzingira usiku mzima.
His legal team is now seeking legal action against senior security officials, including Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen.
We will not even hold the police liable. We will pursue Murkomen particularly in court.
We are asking for the debarment of Murkomen from the Law Society of Kenya. Murkomen is a lawyer, is an advocate of the High Court, but the actions he has taken as Interior Minister go against all required actions of an advocate.
Back in Mukurweini, supporters blocked roads and staged demonstrations, demanding the immediate release of their MP.
Why should you arrest Kagushia? Number one, I was listening to his remarks. He never said anything about the government. The only thing he said, if you are not a DCP member, we have nothing to talk about.
Kasongo, we are here as voters from Mount Kenya. We are here to confirm to you that you are not going to get even a single vote in Mount Kenya.
This part of where the law is being selective and it's being used to oppress others just because they have difference in political ideologies is a problem in this country, and this is what we are trying to change in the party, in DCP party.
He was later transferred to Kamukunji police station, where prosecutors were expected to charge him with allegedly breaching Section 10(3) of the Election Offences Act before the High Court intervened.
So if that's their decision, we want to be in court. We want to go to court and challenge it there and object to that charge.
Is that there is no election that is going on. So how can they say that our client has breached Section 10, subsection 3 of the Election Act, which only applies during the time of the election?
We could have already filed a charge sheet here so that we take our member to the court, but it seems it's just Mickey Mouse games.
Hours later, the High Court in Kiambu ordered Kagushia's immediate release from police custody upon depositing a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. Justice Njoki Mwangi further directed the respondents to file and serve their responses within 14 days. The matter will be heard on 16 September 2026. The charge is anchored on Section 10(3) of the Election Offences Act, which outlaws the use of threats or intimidation to stop a voter from voting or to influence the outcome of an election. Upon conviction, the law provides for a fine not exceeding 1 million shillings, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or both. The law also bars anyone convicted under the Act from contesting or being nominated in an election for 5 years following the date of conviction. The MPs, lawyers and politicians leaning to the united opposition are accusing the government of muzzling dissent through arbitrary arrest. They say this is just a tip of the iceberg, the beginning of the Kamata days ahead of the 2027 polls. Laban Shaban, NTV, Nairobi.